After uploading your CSV, you'll map the columns to Apollo's fields. Start with standard fields like name, email, phone, and company. You must include at least one identifier, such as email or LinkedIn URL, for deduplication to work properly. For extra information, create custom fields to capture specific data points unique to your needs. After mapping, Apollo validates your data, checking formats like email addresses and offering enrichment options such as adding social profiles. Apollo automatically merges duplicate entries according to the rules you set during the process. For best results, keep your CSV file under 100 megabytes and always clean your data in Excel or Google Sheets beforehand to ensure quality and reduce bounce rates. In 2025, Apollo introduced an AI-assisted mapping tool that uses machine learning to suggest field matches based on historical uploads, making the process faster and more accurate.